In 2022, even if YouTube Shorts receive thousands of views, you would not profit from ad income. You may now monetize YouTube videos with advertising starting on February 1st, 2023, as stated by Google. And whether you're selling anything or not, you will still earn ad income. You may now run advertising on your YouTube Shorts after getting accepted into the partner program. I'm going to demonstrate two distinct pieces of software that you may use in this video that are both completely free. To develop YouTube clips, combine Bind with ChatGPT and AI bots. This way, you may earn extra money online without having to appear in front of the camera or record anything with a camera, even as a total novice. So drop a like down below and let's start with a whole breakdown if that sounds okay. So let me demonstrate a channel for you over here. As a result, I launched Socialblade, a program that enables you to view someone's stats. And based just on ad income, this channel over here would bring in around $862,000 a month, according to Socialblade. Given that they receive a few 100 million views per 30 days, that is at the high end. And according to Socialblade, simply from ad income, it would amount to $10 million annually. Today, it's clear that these figures are a little overstated. Due to the recent release of YouTube Shorts monetization, this person is not generating as much money as they might be. Yet the fact that YouTube films may easily become viral and garner a lot of views rapidly simply goes to demonstrate how much potential they have. Another channel may be found over here. We'll be concentrating on this channel today since, according to Socialblade, they receive 20 million views each month. And because in a single month, they made almost $77,000 only from our income. So the channel in question is Luke Davidson Facts. His primary channel, Luke Davidson, where he also posts shorts, was the previous one. And this one contains information about Luke Davidson. So in essence, all this guy is doing is sharing intriguing facts about various topics. Facts about children, aviation, and pretty much every other subject you can think of. Furthermore, they are brief videos that are viewed hundreds of millions of times. You can notice that some of his most successful videos receive as much as 49 million views and 52 million views for 10 things you didn't know that might save your life. So it is clear that there is a lot of interest in these movies. Now, before we start creating these YouTube videos using ChatGPT, and before I show you the program that will really allow you to make those YouTube shorts, a fantastic piece of software allows us to complete those YouTube videos for you with just a single click. We first need to study the subject that we want to dive into before I can show you all of that fantastic stuff. You may have the greatest video editing, audio, and other features since you can make the best YouTube shorts. Your YouTube shorts won't receive any views though if no one is interested in them. Your channel won't expand if the topic is poor, so you can merely utilize vidIQ to ensure that the themes of your YouTube films are constantly relevant. I'll post a link to vidIQ in the description box below so you may give it a try without paying. So in essence, you can either go to the Daily Ideas Generator, where they will come up with new ideas for your films every single day, and even anticipate how many people will watch them. You might instead simply visit the keyword section. You may start looking at various keywords. Say for instance that I want to create a film about facts about AI. It will inform me of the search volume. Clearly, there is a huge gap between the search volume and the level of competition. So it would not be a good idea to produce this video. But if I put in drop shipping, for instance, you can see that the traffic search is quite large and the competition is very moderate. So it is evident that making this video would be superior. So maybe I can create a video that would be similar to 10 facts about dropshipment. So then you may utilize vidIQ for research and to assist you in increasing your views and subscription counts. But for now, we're going to use ChatGPT, an AI assistant that can perform a wide range of tasks for you, like finishing your homework, sending your employer an email, and pretty much anything else you can imagine. That may very well be your VA. But we're going to use it today to get inspiration for one of our YouTube films. You may formally request ideas from him for your YouTube shorts, or you can just request an outline from him. As a result, I may ask him to provide me with 10 facts about AI, or I can ask him to produce a YouTube video about them. In any case, ChatGPT, the AI bot, will immediately begin conducting research and recording the information. And utilizing the tools I'm going to share with you in this video, I can make a YouTube short based on those data points. In essence, this will be completed for you. So you don't need to worry about the video subject or about really sketching it and coming up with those facts. Also, you don't want to plagiarize from other publications or blog entries. And right now, all it takes is a single click of a button to create a YouTube short using this program InVideo. So in essence, they do offer a variety of templates that you can modify with a single click, or you can just use their text-to-video option and put your script into it. Next, using your screenplay as a guide, their AI bot will create and edit a video for you. Nevertheless, as of now, it isn't the ideal technique to produce through films because their AI may make mistakes. Thus, I would just utilize their editors. You only need to click on the Editor tab over here to create a portrait. Hence, that roughly describes the length of a YouTube short. I'll now provide a link to InVideo in the description box below. Also, not many people are aware that you can now see the price section over here due to our collaboration with NVIDIA. And if you decide to really purchase InVideo, you'll be able to get rid of the watermark as well as other functionality, stock video, and other things. Nevertheless, this is where you can begin really editing your YouTube videos, which in this case will be 10 facts about artificial intelligence. So you have two options. Either start adding your media assets here, including your videos, stock photographs, and stock videos, or locate images and videos straight from InVideo. Let's see what comes up if I, for instance, go to the movies area over here and search for AI. So we have a variety of clips here that we may use. Let's imagine, for instance, that I wish to include this man in my film. Just by clicking Add, it will be added to my YouTube clip. To make sure that this suits the scene appropriately, let's just drag that now. By clicking on this icon over there, you may even upload your own logo. If you don't want to truly trademark your YouTube shorts, you may just erase it. Also, you may add text, choose from a variety of styles, include other features, and completely customize your YouTube clips within the video. Thus, you may essentially just begin including new scenarios. So I can simply write in 10 facts about AI and then alter the font if I wish to add a headline that will work as the video's opener. Say for instance that I wish to utilize money making. As of right now, this is how it will appear. I may now continue to add new scenes right here. I can simply add anything more if you wish to go to the video area. Hence, if I for instance want to add this material for whatever reason, I just click Add, drag it, and I can completely modify a film here. Instead, as I mentioned, you can just choose text to video over here to utilize in videos. Choose one of these templates by selecting the portrait from the left side. Let's assume I decide to use this one. To create scenes, select Create Scenes after entering your script here, so I can just copy and paste it from ChatGPT. You can see that they altered the video for me now. They added the text as well as a variety of animations, graphics, and transitions, as well as perhaps some background music. And it's simply been trimmed for me out of the whole YouTube short. Remember that it's not of the greatest quality, but they want to develop their AI technology, so keep an eye out for that. Nevertheless, you may also add your own voiceover here by either selecting the automatic text-to-speech option or by using your own voice. If you want to use text-to-speech, all you have to do is select Automatic Text-to-Speech, and then all you have to do is select Create a Voiceover to have a voiceover created for you. It will therefore sound rather robotic even if you don't read it yourself. In the near future, merely listen to it as it relates to numerous sectors and parts of daily life. Thus, for each of these sequences, you can just add that as a voiceover. Hence, all you need to do is click Add and it will appear. When you select Voiceover, Automatic Text-to-Speech, and Produce Voiceover, each of these parts will essentially be read for you if you also wish to have this one read by AI. You will thus even have a voiceover for those YouTube videos, which will undoubtedly increase your engagement. So you can certainly experiment with all sorts of different things that NVIDIA has to offer. You may either start from scratch when editing your YouTube videos, use some of their templates and then tweak them, or just use their text-to-video AI option, which, as you can see, isn't currently flawless, but is gradually becoming better. But bear in mind that your channel must be accepted into the partner program in order to truly monetize your YouTube videos with advertising. It can often take many months to reach the minimum requirement of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of viewing time, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views of YouTube clips. And today, you can essentially acquire your channel's monetization approval immediately. Then all you have to do is create as many different scripts as you can using ChatGPT. Edit those videos by adding various animations, text, and voiceovers, and then download them by clicking the export button over here. After that, upload the videos to your YouTube channel and begin sharing them every day. And I advise you to submit 3 to 5 YouTube shorts every single day for 30 days in order to achieve the most views possible. In this way, your channel will gain some momentum, and after that, you may choose to reduce your output to 1 short every day. But it will be much better for the channel's expansion if you can continue publishing 3 to 5 YouTube videos for longer. So, like I said, the description box below will provide links to everything I said in this video. I sincerely hope this lesson was helpful to you. If it was, please click the like button below, and I'll see you in some of the upcoming tutorials.